Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to easily find slime chunks inside of Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So to start with, you just want to exit your world and choose which world you want to find the slime chunks on and just click this edit button here. From here you want to scroll down until you find your world seed and just write it down and make sure you take note of that seed right there. Next up you want to come on this website, it's called chunkbase.com, and then you want to select apps and scroll down to seed map. And now at the top here, it's asking for the seeds. So we type in the seed that we just wrote down and select your version. In my case, it's Bedrock 1.20. Choose the overworld and click this drop down here and select deselect all. And now all we want to select is just slime chunk. So next up, you want to put in your coordinates. In my case, I'm near spawn, so I'm just going to put 0, 0 and select go. But in your case, you probably won't be at 0, 0. You'll probably have a house at certain coordinates, so make sure to put them in or wherever you're looking for the slime chunk. Now at first, you might think it's glitched and not actually working because it's not showing anything, but you just have to zoom in a little bit until they start showing up. And as you can see, my spawn point's right at the edge of a slime chunk. And you can basically zoom out and check all over your map and easily find exactly what you're looking for. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.